Do you know that even as a child, Imam Hassan, the beloved grandson of Prophet Muhammad, taught us lessons that can guide our daily lives? Once, little Hassan was about to eat a piece of bread when he noticed a poor man passing by. Without a second thought, he got up and gave his food to the man, smiling, full of kindness. This wasn't just a simple act. This was pure generosity from the heart. And mind you, Imam Hassan was just a child. Yet his compassion and care for others were already shining bright. So what can we learn from this on his blessed birthday? Maybe it's as simple as sharing our lunch with someone in need, being kind to a friend, or helping our parents without being asked. Today, let's celebrate Imam Hassan not just with words, but by spreading kindness like he did, because he is not just a leader of the past, he is our guide, today and always.